We work with a type of T cell, so a white blood cell that protects our body against infections and tumors as well. And actually the cancer aspect is a major focus of my lab. So our interest is to really understand how these T cells are generated in our body and how they can fight cancer and infections. And so we look inside the cell to see the molecules involved in the regulation of the functions of this T cell. And so these T cells can produce substances, proteins called cytokines, that really promote inflammation. And inflammation is really required to get rid of pathogens and also tumors. And so we look at the production of these cytokines at the molecular level and also at the other main function of T cells, which is killing. So these cells are able to kill tumor cells and viral infected cells. And so we need to understand how do they recognize the tumor cell in order to mount an effective response and to eliminate it. And so we've been identifying a lot of receptors on the surface of these T cells that mediate this recognition and the killing of the tumor cells. And we've gone all the way to actually setting up a company, a spin-off of IMM, to devise new immunotherapies for cancer based on our new cell types, because we can make the best possible T cell, we think, to recognize tumors that will be more effective in patients to eliminate their own cancer. So our big hope is within the next couple of years to get to the clinical trial stage with our new therapies. Yeah, so I really love Lisbon. I'm from Lisbon, then I lived in London, then I came back. And what I really realize I appreciate the most about Lisbon, like many other Lisboners, is the sunlight. So we have an amazing sunlight. And this I really use a lot. For instance, during the weekend, whenever I need to work during the weekend, I actually feel I'm enjoying myself so much as long as I go outside, take my computer, and I'm writing a paper or a project outside enjoying Lisbon sunlight. And of course, when I don't have to work, I can cycle, I can be with friends, all of that outside. So I love the outdoors activities that Lisbon provides, including beach and everything. That Lisbon is just a great city, and I think it really creates a basal level of happiness that is difficult to get in other cities.